MP Pumps N-Gun Booster Pump for pivot irrigation. MP Pumps is pleased to introduce its new Max EB N-Gun Booster Pumps. The Max EB family are high-quality replacement pumps used in irrigation systems. Both are interchangeable with current competitive models. Significant design improvements provide longer life and a 2-year limited warranty. Why settle for the minimum when you can get the max? The Max EB is designed to outperform the competition. The Max EB advantages include directly interchangeable with current N-Gun booster pumps, high-efficiency stainless steel balanced impeller for total corrosion resistance and increased pump life, marine duty TEFC motor with automatic thermal overload, 2-year warranty, MP's DuraCore treatment for internal and external corrosion resistance to weather, abrasives, and fertilizers. 2 and 5 horsepower models available. A motor rain cover on motor for added protection. Pump features include 2 and 5 horsepower electric motor options. Marine duty motor offers premium efficiency and epoxy coating for additional durability. Vertical drip-proof cover for superior rain damage resistance. DuraCore treatment. MP Pumps offers the industry's best wear and corrosion resistance available. Type 21 mechanical seal. Carbon ceramic with Viton elastomers and an 18/8 stainless for superior chemical resistance. Get the max difference. Contact MP Pumps today.